How to view saved collections on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. If you want to save a new post, tap the bookmark icon in the bottom right corner of the post. This will add it to your saved posts. Instagram may also ask if you want to add it to a specific collection, but by default, it will be stored in the general Saved section. To find posts you have saved in the past, go to your Instagram profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Saved. Here, you will see different categories, including saved posts, reels, and audio. Tap on Posts to view all the images and videos you have saved. If you saved reels, you can find them in the Reels section. If you want to remove a saved post, open the post and tap the bookmark icon again. This will remove it from your saved folder. You can do the same for reels, videos, and any other saved content. This feature is useful for keeping track of posts you want to revisit later. You can also create collections to organize your saved posts into different categories. That's how to view saved collections on Instagram.